AUMAN, JIANGSU Compressor Company Limited, is a large professional manufacturer of air compressor engaged in the research, development, and production. AUMAN Compressor is located in Dafeng District, Yancheng City, Jiangsu Province, China. AUMAN Compressor has more than 50 employees, including multiple experienced research and development technicians and workers, forming a professional team integrating sales, design, production, and after-sales. AUMAN Compressor produce and sell screw compressors and piston compressors. AUMAN products include belt and direct connection, power frequency and frequency conversion, high pressure, normal pressure, and low pressure screw compressors, as well as piston compressors. AUMAN Compressor has nearly 17 years manufacturing experience. At the same time, we have introduced advanced screw air and technology from abroad to continuously deepen the application field of compressor. Our company has a scientific and rigorous quality management system, and our products have product certificates. AUMAN Compressor has established a complete production, sales, and service team in the past years. AUMAN Compressors has market in more than 100 countries such as America, Germany, Russia, Australia, Korea. At the same time, AUMAN Compressor accept OEM and ODM orders. AUMAN Compressor has always adhered to the development purpose of excellent products and service satisfaction, and regarded customer satisfaction as the source and power of company development. AUMAN's mission is to continuously provide high-quality and energy-saving products to customers around the world. We are looking forward to your cooperation.